It's very, very selfish.
Let's just sing and then we'll see if it does it.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Brenna and Hope. Yeah, we're going to be singing today Payphone.
Yeah, so much.
I know it's hard to remember. I'm sorry, I just started singing for no reason.
See if it's on first. See if it's actually on.
Shh.
Okay.
Turds! Stop. You shouldn't be nervous. We know this. Yeah. Oh, trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the time gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah. No, it's hard to remember all the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture when you're there next to me. We're doing it to make it, but is it too late to try? Million times we wasted all of our bridges burned down. I wasted my night. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But days in the sunset in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my trees are split on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the things we made for two? If happy ever did exist, I would still be holding you like this. So fairy tales are full of it. You'll be sick. Back on tomorrow. You forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. Don't expect you to care. I know we're ready, but all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my night, turning out the light. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sunset in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call all of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did it, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. I'll be sick. Almost the payphone. I'll be spinning on my ears.
Yeah.
The payphone, you're trying to call home. Oh, you can't. You have to be with them. All things. All wrong with the plans we made for two. If happy ever did exist, I would still be holding you like this. The tales are full of it. One more love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a payphone. Okay,
That was awesome.
I hope you liked that. If you did, please leave a comment, guys. Yeah.
Goodbye.
Bye.